Yeah.
Am I on? You know,
Scandy.
Yeah.
there's one thing about love, you know,
Lucas.
which goes hand in hand with the mistake that I did. You know, I didn't realize that she was the moon,
Yep.
and I slept early.
I still love you.
Goes like this. Hope you're listening.
Let's go.
Definitely. Yep.
Yeah, let's go.
Listen.
This is a letter to myself. It was the year 2017 when I cheated on you. And I was thinking to myself that I'll never get you back, but you forgave me. Now every day of my life, I be thinking that you probably do the same, cause I'm insane. Cause the people telling me that you are different, and you are not the same. But if you ever do the same, I'll accept the pain. Cause he knew I got a friend and a wife. I never said it's a lot, but I love you a lot. Somebody take her to court, cause she stole my heart. With all my might, I hope I play my part. And karma doesn't visit to tear us apart. A lot of people have been telling me next day is falsity, some to face reality, you never gonna succeed. I remember calling you at midnight and then I asked you one question. I was strong to live another year and didn't hesitate to give it hell, yeah. This is a letter to my girl. The coconuts I cracked, coconuts I cracked.
I still love you, by the way.
Well, then pull out the code to my own,
Yeah.
and it goes like this.
Yep.
If you truly love something,
you should let it go.
let's go.
I see them come and go
But I don't wanna let you go. I see them come
and go.
but I don't wanna let you go. Cause boy, I love you.
Oh, I love you.
I love you. Cause boy, I love
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey.
I see them come
Yeah.
and go
But I don't wanna let you go. I see them come
and go.
but I don't wanna let you go. Cause boy, I love you.
I love you.
I love you. Cause boy, I love
Yep.
Let's go.
Look.
You the apple of my eye, in my heart. It is you that I store. I never wanna say goodbye. And by the way it's you I get my life for. I so wish that I was cross-eyed so that I could see you twice. That'd be nice, right? We chill under the sun and we talk for ages sipping Sprite. And your body so fast when your daddy was an arsonist.
Oh, yeah.
Girl, I hope you got the letter that I sent to you. Cause now I'm quarantined and I'm not sexing you. We'll pour her in the background cause I'm missing you. And baby, you know I never let you go. You know I never let you go. Baby, you know I never
I'll let you go. Lit cause I was lonely like one of black off his pockets. When you found me, told me greatness was lurking in my esophagus. I found it at your beauty, I started running out the words when I describe it for corona. If it means that I'm gonna die in your touch, in your arms is where I'd rather be. Your feet of your love.
Oh, yeah.
You know I never let you go. Baby, girls that go window cause I said Jericho. Girls that go window cause I said Jericho. Oh.
Mouse Fam World World. On Facebook, it's Mouse Fam World World. And on Instagram, it's Mouse Fam World World.
You know.
I just want to send a shout out to Musicaholic who couldn't make it. As the song we're going to perform right now is Talk Later, and it's out on all digital stores. The EP is going to be out by Saturday. So go get it on all digital stores. And guys, look.
Yep.
Stop gender-based violence, guys.
Stop that shit, man.
Stop gender-based
Stop that
violence,
shit,
guys.
man.
Segwanel. Let's go. Talk later. Put me on.
We come from woman. Woman gave life to us. So the least that we could do is respect women.
Yeah.
I mean, we live our whole lives trying to get into women. So, man, I mean, just respect women, man.
Yeah.
Respect. But here it goes.
Put me on. Talk later. Let's go. Mouse Fam World World. Everywhere. Facebook, Instagram. Let's go.
Follow.
Shout out to Musicaholic.
Yo.
Put me
Hey.
on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Bitch, I'm on my way to the top, and I came from the bottom.
Hey, what? Hey.
Wake up every day, pray to God, keep me safe with no problems.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Money first, talking to you later. Money first, I don't have to check a hater. I ain't 90 bands in my game with the paper. Tryna get my money up, I don't need no favors. Push on the streets, but I walk on the pavement. Let me get my cheese on the top for the payment. I don't really sleep, I've been grinding all day, man. If you ain't gon' pay, I'ma talk to you later.
Okay, when you need some money, money come first. All up with the cheese, tell each other mountains. Never been a snitch, never snitch on my friends. Double, please double that cash. Underrated nigga, never disrespect a nigga. My nigga is in just pop, my best nigga teaser. Never quality, I'm a swab on us as the looking high and got some figure me a bitch, I'm on my way to the top and I came from the bottom. Hey, hell yo, wake up every day, pray to God, keep me safe from the problems. Oh, let's go.
Money first, talking to you later. Money first, settle every time the chicken hate it. I ain't all these things in my game, we got paper. Tryna get my money up, I don't do no favors. Preacher on the streets, better walk on the pavement. Let me get my cheese, I don't talk for the payment. I don't really sleep, I be grinding all day. If you don't pay, I'll talk to you later.
You know I never sleep and I'm grinding all day. Kept into the kids and I'm overly impatient. I don't want my kids to grow up in a slavery. They want me and my team always been independent. Fuck a piece, so still there. Can't believe with all the stress and anxiety. Damn, I can't believe that they be I'm the hard truth. I never fucking did it for my 100 days. So you better really don't pay attention. Nigga, pay the pill. Nigga, talk later. Says this slanging beat, love the one with my haters. Stuck without a meal, we done popped up, we made it. Nigga, brother talk, nigga, talk later. Cause we all on my paper.
I'm always to the top and I came from the bottom. Wake up every day, pray to God, keep me safe from no problems. Money first, talking to you later. Money first, settle every time the chicken. I ain't all these things in my game, we got paper. Tryna get my money up, I don't do no favors.
Preacher on the streets, better walk on the pavement.
Let me get my cheese, I don't ride for the payment.
I don't really sleep, I be riding all day.
If you ain't gon' pay, I'll talk to you later.
I was born to be the greatest, born to be below the greatest. And my track be on your playlist. Every rapper must have said this. Now I'm always killing rappers in their dreams like a Satanist. I got success and failure, top of another like a fish. I think I knew that I'm the greatest, but this niggas on your playlist. And my mama told me get it. Now the boys on the road, hey you niggas smoking trees. Now you tryna give me shit, but I give 100 clips. And your girl is on my lips. If you niggas try to test me, find me on your goal like a dog eating biscuits. Slowly to the goal like I got me an assistant. I'm out.
Perfect, I'm on my way to the top and I came from the bottom.
Let's go, boys!
Wake up every day, pray to God, keep me safe from the problems.
Let's go,
Money first,
talking to you later.
money first.
Preacher on the streets, better walk on the pavement.
Let me get my cheese, I don't talk for the payment. I don't really sleep, I been grinding all day. If you won't pay, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah. It's Mousefam once again. Let's take road to Mousefam debut EP. We're not done. Saturday the EP is gonna be out on all digital stores. Go get it.
Okay, before we leave, I wanna talk on a very touchy subject, guys.
Yeah.
Wait, it's gonna catch my breath first. That was
Okay, look. While you catch your breast, I'ma drop some bars for you.
What?
Yeah? Okay, look. So I failed to change a world. I decided to change myself. I broke my arm fighting these laws, but I still protect and serve.
Yo.
Black on black killings to prove life is a race. I'm dedicated to the struggle. They thought there was a face, bro. Bro, what more should all the records say? Niggas rapping by pussy, they push their record sales.
No.
While I'm trying to get the paper for my mama's sake.
No.
Cause you know that she been praying and that's why I'm safe. This the entertainment. These niggas put me on game and these niggas they give me clout. They been trying to throw some shade. But they don't know that I am Roman, my nigga. I always rain. This the ghetto kids, captain my nigga, put it on game. I don't want a couple safe till I'm sure this woman safe. Teach the man not to kill, not teach women to play it safe, huh? Picket signs or picket lines. Will you protect a woman or you just pretend your guys now?
No, look. I know it's corona and thing, but I've been thinking about this. Look, I'm getting sicker than COVID. The medication is soda. I'll bring the light to the city. Niggas compare me to solars. I got no time for you fuckers. My niggas fits is a fiddle. This is the calm before the storm. If you think that we're kidding, something that brought from the blue. My feet is glued on the pedal. I'm moving straight to the pedal. Yo. My niggas go to the kettle, heading ourselves to the goal. I tried to call on you niggas, you didn't answer the phone. My truth is naked as porn. I take myself on the drone, I'm moving straight to the top, so unbelievable. I can't believe it's me in this. Pulling up on stages with a hand like my diva does. Put the bar, put it on the paint, now it's out of reach. Out!
Whoa, y'all gonna make me lose my breath again. But then, wait,
Rachel, where you at?
I want to talk about something that is serious and very touchy, guys.
Yeah.
This matter of GBV, gender-based violence, guys.
Yeah.
You know, losing a mom, losing a sister, or any younger siblings as a female to a hand of another man is it's very, very painful.
Yeah,
I might have
man.
not experienced it, but from what I've heard, like the brutality against women is very disturbing. So, guys, please stop GBV. You want me to drop some bars? Put some bars, nigga. Drop some bars, nigga. Look, hey, demons, they follow my soul like it's Twitter. My heart is so cold, so I carry a hitter. I'm so baby like I'm just a baby. She's sucking my stick and she getting a stitch. If I get married, I will get a prenup. Ain't no motherfucker will fuck with my demons. I am so high and above all these niggas. They fuck with my shit cause I make them believers. If I jump on the floor, you gon' hear what I said. So my nigga, she send up the speakers. I'm so tired of these motherfuckers. They're rapping, the message is not getting clear. If I can send you a thing up a rap, I can tell you, my nigga, that I am the leader. I got the trip and it trip like the trip from the stick. I'm the power, you know I'm a builder.
Yo,
Hey.
oh, before we go out, I just want to give thanks to DJ Sindo for showing love on the EP, guys. DJ Sindo, siyabonga sisi.
And do order the hoodies, Mouse Fam hoodies from the heart to the city. You know where it's at. The hoodies, the t-shirts, we got bucket hats, we got everything, man. Do visit us. Hey.
Out.